बढ़ती जा रही है. But it's fabulous. I'm very happy to be at Asia Spa Awards 2017. I was here presenting last year. So I'm happy to be here again.
अगर बात करो तो फिटनेस की, स्टाइलिश की, फैशनेबल होने की, सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें बिलीव करती है शमा?
शमा सबसे ज़्यादा बिलीव करती है खुद के जैसा रहने में. सो वो स्टाइलिश हो कि वो ब्यूटीफुल हो कि अगली हो कि जो भी हो, वो प्राउडली एक्सेप्ट करती है और वो प्राउडली खुद के जैसी रहती है. Thank you. So I'm wearing this designs by Vandana Kundar, right here, friend of mine. I love her collection, and that's Jimmy Choo, and that's Gana Singh, and that's by my very close friend Pawan Anand. He's a fab designer. So yeah.
नाइन्थ पे एक जल्दी इसके साथ
ठीक है.
Hi, how are you? जी मुझे तो आप भी बहुत स्टाइलिश लग रहा है. लव दिस कलर. I'm going to steal this shirt from you and wear it, all right? I just like style. I think it's interesting and I like going to a spa. I think it's nice. It eases you out. So it's going to be a very nice evening and I'm expecting some great time with some amazing people around. जी जी I think fitness बहुत ज़रूरी है because अगर आप fit हैं तो आप automatically stylish लगते हैं. I think if you look good naked, you look good with clothes. So I think fitness is very important, but so is style. So a mix of everything. Yeah. Right now, I've always been in love with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So she's my ultimate classic woman. I think she's the most beautiful India has ever produced. And amongst men, Aamir Khan. I'm a huge Aamir Khan admirer. I love his work. So that automatically makes him the best and the most stylish for me. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
How are you? ठीक, long time.
जियो स्टार एशिया स्पार्क के प्रोडक्ट के मौके पर हम सभी वहाँ पर प्रेजेंट हैं। आप बताइए कि आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
मतलब मैं अभी आई हूँ अंदर, तो I'm excited to see how it's gonna pan out today. But let me go in and when I come out I'll tell you.
अदिति बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही है।
Thank you.
किसकी ड्रेस पहनी हुई है? के हेयर के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए?
I'm wearing Amit Agarwal, so he makes a lot of his clothes out of like waste material. So I think that's really amazing, given that I would like to be more environmentally conscious, and I'm really happy that he's doing such amazing work. And jewelry by Bengali.
अदिति लड़कियाँ हमेशा अपने आप को पैम्पर करने के लिए स्पा वगैरह जाती हैं। अदिति कितना स्पा वगैरह में बिलीव कर रही है?
मैं actually I would love to go to a spa more. मैं इतना जा नहीं पाती, लेकिन I'm a massage junkie, तो जितना I can get a deep tissue massage में उतना I get. Bhumi is going amazing. It's been very intense. It's a difficult film, but it's also it's been an amazing experience working with Umang sir, working with Sanjay sir. That has been like super amazing. So it's a really great team, and it's been tough work, but it's been amazing. एक शेड्यूल खत्म हुआ है, थोड़ा सा और बाकी। नहीं लगी थी, but he is a real hero because he got hurt, and the next minute he was up and he was finishing the scene. We were shooting an action scene, but he's really amazing, and he shoots a complete action scene like in one take. So I was just like looking at him like, how do you do it? He's really amazing. The Taj is beautiful. What can I say about the Taj? Everybody knows how beautiful it is. So it was really amazing being there.
ask any questions.
ओके कनिका जी हाँ सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहिए जियो स्पान एशिया स्पास के अवार्ड के यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट आप बताइए आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं आज की शाम से
वेल मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड अंदर जाके मेरा पहली बार मैं यहाँ आई हूँ एंड अंदर जाके मालूम चलेगा कि क्या होता है. लुक्स लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग. बहुत सारे लोग मेरे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स मुझे मिले जो यहाँ आए हैं एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग.
कनिका जी क्योंकि स्पा की बात हो रही है तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा फैशनेबल एंड स्टाइलिश एंड फिट इन सारी चीज़ों में सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें बिलीव करती हैं कनिका जी?
मैं एक्चुअली पर्सनली काफ़ी स्पाज में जाती हूँ, डिटॉक्सेस के लिए जाती हूँ बिकॉज हमको एक इतने हेक्टिक शेड्यूल के बाद एक कंप्लीट शटडाउन चाहिए होता है. सो आई लव स्पाज एंड आई थिंक सिर्फ जो काम करते हैं उनको ही नहीं, हर इंसान को स्पा के लिए जाना चाहिए बिकॉज एक माइंड एंड बॉडी शटडाउन है. द गाउन इज बाय रोलैंड मोरे. इट्स ब्रिटिश डिज़ाइनर. आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है? उसमें से तो कैसे बता सकती हूँ? इट्स दैट्स अ सीक्रेट बट देयर इज लॉट्स एक्चुअली नाउ कमिंग. मैं लवली हो गईया नाम तेरा पढ़ के तेरे नाल सजना हावे मेरा दिल धड़के दैट्स फॉर यू. चलो थैंक यू.
Thank you.
हाय
हेलो
कैसे हो?
जियो स्पान एशिया अवार्ड के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हो तो आप क्या कहना चाहिए आज की शाम
भाई जोर से बोलो ना थोड़ा प्लीज़.
जियो स्पान एशिया स्पा के अवार्ड के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट आप ही यहाँ पे क्या फील करते हो क्या कहना चाहिए?
कुछ नहीं, इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम हियर. पहली बार आया हूँ और इट्स आई मीन अतिया आई थी लास्ट टाइम. आई थिंक अतिया वन लास्ट टाइम. शी गॉट द बेस्ट न्यू स्टाइलिश गर्ल. सो आई एम हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड और क्या बोलूँ.
क्योंकि स्पा की बात हो रही है तो स्टाइलिश फिटनेस हैंडसम सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें बिलीव करते हैं सूरज?
सबसे ज़्यादा फिटनेस में. आई थिंक फिट फॉर मी स्टाइल इज़ फिटनेस. I don't think if I didn't feel fit enough, I don't think I would feel stylish. So that is my fun. नहीं, I start on the 5th or 6th of the coming next month. I can't talk about it right now.
मतलब थ्रिलर देखेंगे या रोमांस करते हुए क्या करते हो आपको देखेंगे ऐसा कुछ अगर
Action romantic kind of. Thank you.
बहुत ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री है इंडिया में, और आई थिंक लाइक ऑल दैट यू नो स्पा बहुत ज़्यादा रिजॉर्ट्स आ गए इंडिया में, हेल्थ स्पाज आ गए, हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन हैव बिकम वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इट्स द इंडस्ट्री हैज़ रिजन सो मच. सो आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम कि जो स्पाज में बेस्ट है वी ऑनर देम एंड या एंड देयर अचीवमेंट्स.
ठीक है जी, क्योंकि स्पा की ये बात करें तो अगर मैं स्टाइलिश की अगर बात करूँ तो यू एंड भूषण जी में सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश कौन, और वो तो नहीं है, तो आप बताइए सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश कौन
वो नहीं आई थिंक मे बी मैं ही हूँ दोनों में स्टाइलिश.
फिटनेस एंड फैशनेबल में सबसे ज़्यादा में क्या इम्पोर्टेंट लगती है आपके लिए, क्या इम्पोर्टेंट?
आई थिंक बोथ. आई थिंक फिटनेस एंड फैशन गो हैंड इन हैंड. अगर आप फिट हैं तो जो भी आप कपड़े पहनते हैं वो पहनने में भी आपको मज़ा आएगा, आप कॉन्फिडेंट फील करेंगे. सो किसी भी फॉर्म ऑफ फिटनेस हो, चाहे वो किक बॉक्सिंग हो और योगा हो और सिंपल एक्सरसाइजिंग लाइक क्लाइंबिंग अप द स्टेयर्स, यू नो कुछ ना कुछ फिटनेस लाइफ में हमेशा होनी चाहिए, एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर विमेन ऑल्सो. थैंक यू.
ये बोला ये छप वो खंदा का था. कैसे हो?
Super, how are you?
तो सना जी, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहिए जियो स्पा एंड आईसीआई स्पा के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे हैं. आप बताइए आप कितनी एक्साइटेड हो, क्या कहना चाहेंगे
I think obviously excited हूँ. It's about Jio Spa and also we all love it. I think कहीं ना कहीं हर किसी को ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So definitely I'm here to see what's happening, how is the function going to go, and as of course like how we all enjoy red carpets and events that keeps happening and we meet a lot of people. So I think that's also one part of it.
और कितनी स्टाइलिश के बारे में बात की, कितनी स्टाइलिश है आप?
आई थिंक मैं दिख रही हूँ मैं कितनी स्टाइलिश हूँ, मुझे नहीं लगता इससे ज़्यादा दिखाने के लिए कुछ हो सकता है. बट या आई थिंक स्टाइल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स योर ओन आइडेंटिटी, दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.
हेलो चलो चलो बोलो सबका ओके जैकलिन एशिया स्पा के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं आप बताइए कि आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं शाम को लेकर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आपकी शाम
Well, I have always been a huge supporter of Asia Spa India, and being a spa lover myself, I'll always support and encourage these awards. I was an attendee 2 years ago, so it's good to be back.
क्योंकि स्पा की बात करें तो फिटनेस ब्यूटीफुल ये सब आप कितना बिलीव करती हैं सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें बिलीव करती हैं एक्जैक्टली ब्यूटीफुल फिटनेस
But being fit is beautiful. I mean, like that's anyone who has energy and who has positivity. Actually, wohi beauty hai. So, I think that you sometimes need to be able to pamper yourself. You sometimes need to take care of yourself, and it's a very, very important thing to do to enhance your lifestyle.
And what are you expecting to like in Saudi? What are you expecting?
What am I expecting? A fun evening.
Thank you.
Jackie, what's going on in the professional front? Judua 2, how's the shooting and everything?
I'm very excited for Judua 2. Me and Varun have been meeting the whole of this week, and we've just been discussing our songs with David sir, and how we're going to make it different, how we're going to make it fun and enjoyable, and this is my second film with him, so we're really looking forward to working together.
Thank you.
Sir, ma'am, please go. Sir,
Thank you.
excuse me. Ma'am, yeah. Sir. Ma'am, yeah, just right there. Yeah, yes, sir. Excellent, ma'am, excuse me. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Come.
Yeah. What do you want me to say?
Hi.
Hi.
एशिया स्पा के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं आप बताइए आज की शाम को आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज की शाम के बारे में
वेल मुझे लग रहा है एशिया स्पा नाइट है स्पा नाइट सुनते ही फुट मसाज की याद आ जाती है सो आई लव दैट पार्ट ऑफ इट सो आई थिंक ऑल वीमेन लव स्पा पार्ट ऑफ इट but it's awards and I wonder what's going to happen so I'm very excited to see what is going to happen here.
अगर मैं फिटनेस एंड ब्यूटी इन सारी चीज़ों की बात करूँ तो फिटनेस ब्यूटी या एक्सरसाइज
हेल्थ पे और फिट रहने पे आई थिंक रादर देन थिन आई वुड रादर बी फिट सो कोशिश तो जारी है मुश्किल है थोड़ा लेकिन ट्राई कर रही हूँ
और आपके पैर के बारे में
आई एम वेयरिंग अ रिद्धि मेरा और फन सा आउटफिट था और मज़ा आ गया पहन के सो आई रियली लाइक इट आई होप यू लाइक इट
From the Rosier here. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, in this segment is for the best spa cuisine, which is why you're here. And we will have a quick look, and you, for all of them, let's have a quick look at the nominations. Spa cuisine, the Geospa Asia Spa India Awards winner is Atmantan Wellness Center, as well as Kayakal ITC Grandmother. managed to do so much. Of course, you're known as Fiery Farah for a reason. On social media, we all follow you because we love what you write. Tell us what makes you tick.
Well, I want to first thank all of you here and, of course, the Asia Spa Awards, the Geo Asia Spa Awards for this Wellness Woman of Substance Award. For me, fitness is not a routine, it's a way of life. It's something I believe that I need to be fit, to be strong, to look after the people I love and the people who work for me. So I truly live my life with fitness. I love to work out, I love to be strong. And more importantly, I think if a woman is not happy, she cannot make anyone else happy. So my mother, who's here, Zareen Khan, I look up to her because she has been my woman of substance. And she's been somebody who's always taught me to look for the positives in every negative. And I think fitness is not just wellness, but your mental health is also wellness. So thank you, Mom, for making me who I am. And thank you all of you for being here. And just before I go, I have to say that there's another wonderful woman here who I've grown up admiring and loving, and that's Ray. Thank you, Ray. You're someone I have admired and looked up to, and she's the first person who put lipstick on my mouth when I was a kid. So here's my beauty icon. Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers to that. Congratulations, Farah, once again. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Woman of Substance. And thank you, Ravish, for very sweetly holding on. And to join her to give away the awards, a fashion stalwart who's revolutionized designer of menwear in India, menswear in India, somebody my husband completely salivates over his design. Please welcome Arjun Khanna. He was right here. Right, has Arjun left the building? Achal, I suspect you'll have to do this by yourself without the handsome Arjun doing this with you. Ladies and gentlemen, the first award in this segment is for the Best Spa Interiors Hotel nominations. All right. And the Geo Spa Asia Spa India Award for the Best Spa Interiors goes to, it's a tie yet again, as is the norm for the evening, between the S-Spa, the Leela Palace, Chennai, and Chi, the spa at Shangri-La Hotel, Bengaluru. Please give them a very warm round of applause here. Must visit. Congratulations. The next award is for open up for the Indian cricket team who just had a wonderful tournament, scored a huge amount of runs for India after defeating the Aussies. Can we have a huge round of applause for Anand cricket streak group? Congratulations, Rahul, and so very well done. I'm sure this is a room full of cricket freaks. Where do you not have them? How does it feel? I'm sorry, this sounds like it's out of a Simi Garewal show, but how does it feel?
Yeah. I mean, this is one of my first awards, apart from getting man of the matches, which haven't been a lot because I've just started my career. So, thank you for giving me this and recognizing my hard work and dedication. This, I guess, will only inspire me to do better for my country, for my team, and win more games. We have a lot of cricket coming up in the next 6 to 8 months, so this will wake me up in the morning and push me to the gym. thank you once again, and have a good night.
That's so sweet. It's like a man of the match tone that you're using, right? Okay, I'm so sorry. I will try better next time. Thank you so much, Rahul, and well done, and congratulations, so well deserved. Thank you, Nikki. She's the only icon we have of wellness, and literally she defies time with her looks and her commitment towards her health. But for now, without saying anything more, I'd like you to turn your attention to the screen for a small tribute to this gorgeous, gorgeous diva. Congratulations, and we can't possibly have you here and not have you tell us about what is it that you must have found a secret that none of us are able to know about that makes you look and be the way you are. I mean, completely zen, and you just look the same over the decades that I have seen you growing up. And if any of us can be half as as good about the body that we live in, then I think we'll all be blessed. So please do tell us at least 2% of what makes you so elegant, perfect.
Namaskar, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Thank you Minnie for those kind words. You're not so bad yourself, you know.
I'm not even.
And I also know that you sing, so. How
Wrong
about me putting you in a spot and saying
completely
a
wrong
couple lines,
information.
no?
Used to.
A perfect 10, I don't know what that is. For me, when I say 10, it's my birthday, 10th of October. And October is also the 10th month. And I'm born in 1954, which again sounds good. And I'm not a number person at all. I don't believe in numbers. So 3 10s make it what? Dun dun dun. I'm just kidding. No, but there are so many people in this audience whom I love. I've grown up with Zareen for one, I grew up in her household. She mothered me, she's mothered me with love and attention and food and nilus and laru, and that's also one of the reasons. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. It's beyond family. I believe there are more than one soulmates, and I think everybody I connect with, they are my soulmates. So, उसके हिसाब से देखा जाए तो पूरी दुनिया, पूरी कायनात मेरी soulmates हैं. I'm just here, connected to them, through my love, through my work, and mostly through what I believe that I'm able to give in the times to come. So thank you, all of you, all you next generations who are a huge inspiration to me. I said this before and I'm saying it again and again and again. You are my true gurus. I have learned a lot from great people. I've learned a lot from my mother, I've learned a lot from Meena Appa, from Nargis Appa, from Madhu Auntie, I'm calling them on first name basis and aunties and appas because that's what they were to me and they are to me. But need I say more about today's generation? Don't even know where to begin. They are coming from somewhere else and I'm going, I don't know where, but they have taught me a lot already, and I said this just yesterday, and I'm saying this again today, that someday, very soon, I've learned so much that I want to give them the Guru Dakshina in some which way or the other, through a performance, through the next creation of mine. That will be my Guru Dakshina to today's generation. So thank you so much. Thank you, Radhika. Thank you, Asia Spa. Thank you for letting me be one of the family members. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.
Rekha ji, perfect and never looked this good before. Congratulations again. Divya, thank you for being on stage. You look beautiful. Thank you, Bhushan. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Rekha ji. To present the next set of awards, we have someone who's truly beautiful. She's one who's mastered the art of wellness right before everyone even discovered what it meant. Please welcome on stage Miss Riya Pillai.
हो गया ना। अब क्या लेते हैं? ये कैलाश जैकलिन हो गई। हाँ जैकलिन ने
Okay. So we don't have Riya right here. So Parinita, can we have you on stage? You are going to be it's beautiful. We're doing a bit of role modeling here. So you just be Riya. You're Siddharth. You did good as Siddharth. Now, you did well as Siddharth. Now you have to play Riya. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is our next segment of awards, and the first award in this segment is for the category that keeps the essence of Ayurveda intact. Can we have a look at the nominations for Best Ayurvedic and Wellness Center? The GeoSpa Asia Spa India Awards winner for Best Ayurvedic and Wellness Center is a tie between two places. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners, the Lalit Resort and Spa Bengal and Karnauski Ayurveda and Wellness Resort. Rishikesh under the Hall of Fame. Can we have a huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
टॉपिक है सर
एकता
एकता जी भाई
थोड़ा इस तरह राम या राम या
क्या बोलूं तो एकता जी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन इसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे आज
सी बहुत वेलनेस और ब्यूटी का अवार्ड मिला है एज पट फॉर पावर्स आई होप आई कैन रिस्पेक्ट इट एंड डू बेटर वर्क और मैं तहे दिल से इनको थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी फीलिंग थैंक यू सो मच
आपके जो सीरियल्स हैं उनके सेट पे मीडिया बैन है, इसकी खास वजह
आई जस्ट न्यू इट दिस वुड बी द क्वेश्चन एक मेरी कुछ स्टोरीज थी शो की जो बहुत लीक हो रही थी तो कुछ टाइम के लिए किया है बेयर विद अस
लोग वेट करेंगे कब मौका मिलेगा फिर जाने का
हम कोशिश करेंगे जल्दी
Hi, I'm here with GeoSpa, so we'd like a couple bites with you. Yeah? All right. So, Ekta, welcome to GeoSpa.
अच्छा जी, राधिका जी सवाल उठे इस पर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Personality of the year. Congratulations, Jacqueline. We are not going to let you go without telling us what this joie de vivre inside you is all about and how we can get a part of it.
First of all, thank you so much for recognizing that. I think it's such a cool tag to have, charismatic, because I'll tell you something, it's not something that I think comes easily. A lot of people keep asking me or keep telling me, like, you're smiling all the time, you're positive all the time, but what I think they don't realize is I actually work hard at it. And like everyone else, you have your bad days, your stress, you have work tension and stuff, but this is actually something, like the way you would train your body at the gym, this is also something that's really important about training your mind. And I was just watching Rekha ji and I was just in awe, but she was telling me right before she come on stage that she meditates all the time, and that is something that's really, really important, and I think that adds a lot of value to your personality, and that is something that I'm trying to invite. But yeah, work on your positivity, and it really pays off. So thank you so much for trying that.
Thank you, Jacqueline, for coming up to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Charismatic Personality of the Year. Thank you, and thank you, Parnita. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award, to give away this award, I'd like to call somebody who's rather special to everyone who how much time do you actually get to spend at this bar to look this pretty?
Good evening, everybody. Minnie, first of all, thank you so much for saying such wonderful, wonderful, wonderful
things. So true.
But very rarely have people acknowledged those things or even understood that. So, Minnie, you're truly special because
special recognizes special.
Thank you so much. Another special person here is Aarti. I started my career with Aarti and Kailash. Absolutely raw, completely new, clueless about everything, and they've always been special. They took me in, treated me like family. They still are family and will always be family. And today I get this award from Aarti. That's very, very special. Minnie asked me a question, how long does it take in this bar? I'm a massage junkie. I love massages, but I don't know if that helps about in anything else other than the fact that, it relieves my tired legs. I'm running around so much the whole day that I love a foot massage, and I'm a complete foot massage junkie. So just for that, I love the fact that I'm here. Do you think free foot massage comes in with this award?
Should
promise. Oh, I love it. I love this award more and more. I love it.
See, there's a reason you are the Spalicious mom. So she needs to be treated. So she can continue to be a Spalicious.
Thank you so much. It's always lovely to be treated well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, gorgeous Sonali.
And Asia Spa Awards, thank you so much for this. Thank you. Good night.
Huge round of applause for Sonali, and thank you so much, Aarti. A youth icon for us, ladies and gentlemen, is someone who's not